In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your inbox in Outlook, a skill that can significantly enhance your productivity and keep your email life streamlined and manageable. We all know how quickly emails can pile up, making it challenging to find what you need when you need it. With a little bit of organization, we can make our inbox not only a repository for emails, but also a well-structured tool that works for us. Let's begin by getting into the mindset of organization. Think of your Outlook inbox as a clean desk, where each document, or in our case, email, has a designated spot. This approach will help keep everything tidy and easy to access. Now, let's dive into the practical steps. First, open up Outlook on your device and direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a vertical pane that lists all your existing folders and inboxes. Look for your email address or name, typically at the top of this pane. Give it a right click. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with a range of options. From this menu, you'll want to select Create Folder. This is where the real magic begins, as it allows you to start building a system that makes sense for you. Consider what categories or criteria you often use to sort your emails. Perhaps you receive emails related to different projects, or maybe you juggle personal and professional communications. Whatever your needs, you can create folders that reflect them. Think about naming these folders in a way that is both unique and descriptive. For example, if you're handling multiple projects, you might create folders named after each project. If sorting between personal and work emails, you could name folders accordingly. The key here is to use labels that will make it intuitive for you to find what you need later. After naming your folder, hit enter and voila, your folder is ready. Repeat this process to create all the folders you need. As you do so, keep in mind the hierarchy. You can also consider creating subfolders within a main folder if you want an additional layer of organization. Once you have your folders set up, start methodically moving emails to their designated places. You can do this by simply dragging an email from your inbox to the appropriate folder. This process not only helps organize your current emails, but also encourages you to maintain this practice going forward. To wrap up, organizing your inbox in Outlook is all about personalizing your email experience to meet your needs. By leveraging folders, you can quickly reduce clutter and increase your efficiency when managing emails. A little effort up front can lead to significant time savings and reduce stress in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maintain a well-organized and efficient Outlook inbox.